Good morning to everyone. I am Hafiz, CAC department from first year. My topic is pointers definitions. Contents. Introduction. What is pointer? Pointer declaration. Pointer initialization. Pointers operator. Types of pointers. Dynamic memory allocation. Common pointer errors. Conclusion. Introduction. Pointer is a variable that stores the memory address of an variable. Instead of holding direct value, the pointer holds the location in memory where the value is stored. The pointers are powerful features in C that allows the efficient memory management and are used to dynamic memory allocation, arrays, functions, arguments, and more. Next slide. What is pointer? A pointer is an object and many programming language that stores the memory address that can be that of another value located in computer memory, or in some cases that of the memory mapped computer hardware. A pointer reference a location in memory and obtain the value stored at that location is known as differencing the pointer. As an analogy of a page number of in books index could be considered a pointer to the corresponding page differencing, such as a pointer would be done by flipping to the page with the given page the number and reading text and found on that page. The actual format and contents of a pointer variable is depended on the underlying computer architecture. Moving to next slide. The pointer declaration. A pointer declaration involves the specify the types of variable it will be point to fold an asterisk to indicate the pointer. Here is the general syntax for declaration pointer. Type asterisk pointer slash name. Pointer to an integer. Into asterisk ptr. Pointer to float. Float asterisk ptr. Pointer to character. Char asterisk ptr semicolon. Pointer to pointer means double pointer. Into asterisk ptry semicolon. Moving to next slide. Pointer initialization. Pointer initialization refers to assigning a pointer a specific address or value upon its declaration. The most common ways to initialize the pointers are pointer them to the address of an existing variable, setting them null, or allocating dynamic memory using functions like malloc or calloc. A pointer can be initialized to point a variable address using the address of operator. For example, into asterisk ptr equal to address x semicolon. Assigns the pointer ptr the address of the variable x. The another approach the initializing the pointer to null, which signifies that the pointer does not currently point to any valid memory address, helping to avoid differencing utilized invalid pointers. For example, into asterisk ptr equal to null. Make the pointer safe to use in conditional checks before the differencing. Next slide. Pointers operators. Pointers operators essential for manipulating and accessing memory addresses. The two primary pointers operators are differences operator and the address of operator. The operator and difference operator is used to access modify the value at the memory location at the pointer is a pointing to. For instance of if pointer holds the address of variable x, the expansion of asterisk ptr allows you to access or changes the value stored at the address. On the other hand, the address of operator is used to obtain the memory address of a variable. Next slide. Types of pointers. Null pointer, void pointer, pointer to pointer, array pointer, functions pointer. Null pointer. A pointer that does not point to any valid memory address initialized to null. Into asterisk ptr equal to null. Void pointer. A genetic pointer that can be pointed to any data type. Wide asterisk PTR. Pointer to pointer. A pointer that stores the address of another pointer. Into asterisk PTR. Array pointer. A pointer that points to first element of an array. Into asterisk PTR equal to array. Function pointer. A pointer that stores the address of a function void. Asterisk function PTR of semicolon. Moving to next slide. Dynamic memory allocation. The pointers play crucially role of dynamic memory allocation allows the program to allocate the memory runtime rather than it compile to them. The flexibility as especially important when working with data structure like array, linked list, or any situation where the size of data is not known as advanced. The dynamic memory allocation in C performed using the standard library function Malco and Calco, Ralco, and Free. All the which interact with the pointers when using this function. A pointer assigns the address of memory blocks, and that the pointer is used to access and manipulate the memory. Next slide. Common pointer errors. The pointers are powerful tools, but improper use can lead to various errors that can cause undefined behavior, crashes, or memory corruption. One of the most common pointer errors in differencing are the null pointer, which occurs the pointer is either not initialized, especially the set to null, and the program attempts the access of or modify the memory through. Another common error is working with wild pointer, which are utilized pointer that may not to random memory location, leading to unpredictable behavior when assessed. Next slide. Conclusion. The pointers are fundamentally feature of C programming that provides a powerful capability for memory management and efficient handling of data. That allows the direct access the memory location, enabling the dynamic memory allocation, manipulating of array and string, passing the large structure of array to function without copying the data. However, with the great power comes great responsibility, and improper use the pointers can be lead to serious issues like memory leaks, segmentation, faults, and undefined behavior. Thank you.